What's up, guys? So I'm trying to get this video out as quickly as I can, so I'm just using my webcam here. Basically, we have a 50% off coupon code for Pictory that's good until midnight tonight for Valentine's Day, okay? So basically what happened is I made that Pictory video, which is a software that allows you to make cash cow videos very quickly. I made that in the last video. Pete, head of growth from Pictory, saw this, reached out and said, hey, would you like me to make you a special coupon code for Valentine's Day for 50% off? So basically, you guys can get 50% off right now from what it was when I made that video last. So basically, you can go down below, click the link in the description. That's going to take you to the site. And allow you to basically apply the discount. Then you'll go in, and when you go to checkout, you will type buy 50, BYE50. That's going to go ahead and give you that discount, okay? So basically, as you can see right here, buy 50, so it's BYE50, okay? And that's going to give you 50% off. So the normal premium annual plan is $468. You can get it for $234. So just to show what that is here. So basically right now I'm paying $60. Okay, I'm paying $60. You're gonna get it for $234. This is only on the annual plan, so keep that in mind. You pay the $234, divide that by 12. You're paying $19.50 a month. You can also get 50% off of this plan, the standard plan as well. So basically $8 basically per month that you can get the standard plan for. So either one of them is good. I recommend premium because they export in 1080p, which is the main reason. But basically, either one of those, you can get 50% off just by being a 595 fan. BYE50, type that coupon code into the checkout, and you on the yearly plans only, and you can literally get 50% off. So let me show you what this does. I wanted to get this out really quickly because I know a lot of you guys like this software. According to what I think, this is better than Vidnami. So I like this software better than Vidnami. So if you go ahead, click this, and then this is a, basically I paraphrased this script. Basically I paraphrased this script from a Brainy Dose video. Okay, so let me put this in real quick. Copy and paste it. Brainy, okay, proceed. And really quickly, I'm just going to make this video right in front of you guys so you can see how fast this is. Now, again, you guys can do a free trial. So go click the link down below, sign up, and you can have a free trial. Okay, you can play around with it for an hour or so. Once you decide, you know, this is something you want, then right now you can get 50% off until midnight tonight for Valentine's Day, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and go into audio, and I can go ahead and drag in a voiceover, okay? So let me do that really quickly. Let me go to my uploads, drag over this Brainy Dose voiceover, and just to show you how quick it is. Okay, there it is. So now I'm going to click auto sync over entire video. So what it did is it just pulled in a bunch of clips based on the script. Okay, so it's putting in clips based on that script using story blocks clips. Okay, so story blocks, which means it's completely free to use Creative Commons footage.
It's very difficult to know how.
And basically, I just used an AI software just as a quick example, so I didn't have to do a voiceover, obviously. And so now I'm going to go ahead and click audio settings here. I'm going to pull this down to 0 because we don't want any background music. And now I'm just going to show you what it did. So it just made us a completely unique video in a couple of minutes.
It's very difficult to know how someone actually feels. This can be exasperated in romantic endeavors, especially with men. Does he really care about you? Or does he have ulterior motives? It's understandable to not want to commit to a relationship with someone who doesn't want one with you. If you're struggling with this problem, maybe our list will help you find the solution.
So as you can see, it pulled in a lot of really good clips, okay? This one maybe didn't make that much sense. So all we got to do is click on it, and we can pick something else. So we can pick this, okay? So there you go, and it just matched it automatically. Now what's so great about this is normally if you want to make a video like this, you're gonna have to download like 50 clips or more, put them all in an editor, and then you're gonna have to put in the voiceover. Then you're gonna have to take all the clips and match up all the voices with all the clips until the timings are perfect. That is so much work, right? And then if you wanted to put all this text on it too, you'd have to type all that text manually and then again time it up with the clips and the voice. Make sure the sentences match the voice. This does that all in a minute, okay? And so I like this better than Vidnami, to be honest. Now, if you go ahead and click styles, there's all these different styles you can do. You can also add in transitions, so you can fade in between scenes, things like that. You could change the formats. You know, you can export this in 1080p if you have the premium version. So that's why I recommend the premium version, okay? Other than that, there's tons of different background musics you can use as well. There is over 15,000 tracks that you can use. On top of that, there's different textures that you can pull in as well, if you wanted to do something like that. You can also do, and there's so many different things here. So if you type like basketball, obviously there's tons of royalty-free clips that you can use for basketball, okay, through Storyblocks. Once again, we can do literally mountains. So anything you need is here, guys. I mean, you can make literally almost unlimited different kind of cash cow videos, okay? Hawaii. Let's see if anything pops up for Hawaii. Look at all these clips that come up for Hawaii, okay? Let's do Alaska. Okay, cool. Montana. So in here, they have all these different clips. So if you're making a travel one, for instance, you could use something like this, right? So all of these are options for you. So that's some of the cool things that it does. Audio, like I said, music, as well as add voiceover. So you can do, I believe they have AI voice too in here. I'm not 100% sure on that. Add voiceover, record. So and another thing that you can do is record your voiceover. As you can see right here, you can record your voiceover right here through the software if you wanted to do that. Some people like to do that. So that's an option as well. And you can do panning. You can hide text. You can do the background music or take it off. You can change the scene durations up here. So many different things that you can do with this software. When you're done, you just click generate, okay? So basically, if you would like to get this for 50% off, I know a lot of you guys either use Pictory or really like Pictory, or you wanted Pictory after you watched that last video I did. Well, if you haven't bought it yet, you can now get it for 50% off. So once again, I'm paying $60 a month basically for this, and you're going to be able to get it for much less than that because with the buy 9 to 5 coupon, you'll be able to get 50% off. So $234 for the annual premium plan, guys. So once again, just to show you, $234, divide that by 2, or by 12, and that is $19 a month that you're paying. And that's just for the premium. You can also do the 50% off for the standard. So once again, all you have to do if you're interested in getting this is click the link down below in the description before midnight tonight for Valentine's Day. And when you go to the checkout, okay, this is the important part. When you go to the checkout, the coupon code, you want to type BYE50, okay, buy 50. And I'll type that in the description as well. That's what's going to take 50% off, okay? So hopefully this helps you guys out. I just wanted to get this out for you really quickly because I know a lot of you planned on buying it already. Might as well get it for 50% off. So that's only on the annual plans. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.